Hey everyone, welcome guys, welcome. Hey Louis, welcome. Hey Solomon, welcome. Hey guys, it's great to be back. All right. We have a lot of information to go over this evening. We'll focus on the dollar pairs, yen pairs, and equities. The markets are closed tomorrow, right, for the holiday. So markets are closed, but we can still use this time to get ready for Tuesday trading. All right, so we have a lot of information to go over. We are bringing back our beginners class. All right, so you guys know we have had a very popular beginners and Q&A class, and I've been trying to figure out a way to fit that class into our schedule. The weekdays are busy for us. We go through picks, right, and analysis throughout the week. Fridays, that's usually the day we do coaching, one-on-one coaching. So the only day I feel we have available to bring in that class is on Saturdays. All right. So starting this Saturday, hey Betty, welcome. All right. Welcome, welcome. So on Saturdays, guys, starting this Saturday from 11 a.m. to about 12 noon, we'll have our beginners class. And I'm glad we're able to bring that class back in, right? Back. Beginners and Q&A. All right. So starting again this week, I think that's the third, right? I think that's the third. We'll start that class. And I'm very excited about that. Okay. All right, and it will be on Zoom. So we will not be on live stream. YouTube live stream. We'll do that on Zoom, and we'll send the links out to you guys. All right. All right. It's good to be back. I miss you guys. All right. Those of you who our traders, you guys have been getting alerts and analysis from me, but the live trading that we do on the live stream, we haven't done that for a week. So it's good to be back. All right, so let's get right to it. A lot of good trading. So hopefully you guys have been taking advantage of these opportunities. All right, so a lot of good opportunities in the markets. All right, so let's start off with Forex. All right, so we'll take a look at Forex. Monster scalper long positions. If you guys have any, if you have any symbols, you want to take a look at, let me know. All right, we'll pull that up. Hey Dean, welcome. Dean, welcome. All right, so any symbols you guys want to take a look at, send it to me. Any questions? All right, just stop me. All right, we do want to get through this information. All right, it is a lot of information we will go through this evening. So stop me if you guys have any questions. Let's start with, before we do this, I'm really excited about some of these trades. But before we do that, I want to look at the big picture on the Dow. You guys know we've been watching the Dow, right? Hoping that we get a breakout of resistance right here to push this market higher. All right. Yeah, last week was choppy, but things improved. Friday, we had a nice up there. I think the Dow finished, 328 points. But still trading right here, guys. Still consolidating there. All right. We do have a white candle. This is on the Dow weekly time frame. But we do have good news. And I send this out to you guys on the NASDAQ. Look at this, guys. NASDAQ is breaking out. If we remove this here, and I'll bring it back. Very similar price action, right, to the Dow, right? 2016, nice trend line here. But look here. We got buyers are coming in. Buyers are coming in. And I don't know if you guys have been paying attention to the technology stocks. They're really moving. All right, especially in your heat seeker. All right, so nice markdown phase. All right, accumulation, green candles, right? Markup. We just need a buy signal. So we should get that. If prices hold, we could get a buy signal this week on the NASDAQ. And this is big picture, guys. So this is on the weekly time frame. All right. So if we move this back here, we got pretty good resistance here. We should have a buy signal right in here. All right, right in here. So it might give a high buy signal. But look here. All right, nice markdown phase. All right, and green candles, and that's very encouraging for the equity markets. All right, the S&P not as great as the Nasdaq, but still decent markdown phase. Green candles coming in. All right, we could get a buy signal if we break through right here. All right, on the S&P, and guess what? The Nasdaq looks like it's leading us out of this a bit of correction there. All right, so that's good news. That's encouraging news. All right, the dollar. Right, we'll go over the dollar pairs, but nice moves in the dollar. You guys saw here held support, right? Held support. All right, held support, and we got buying coming back in to the dollar. All right, the dollar index. If you guys look here on the futures, where is it? Right here. Futures market, we got a buy signal on the dollar, and the dollar looks really, really good. It's currently up just a bit right now, but dollar looks really good to keep moving higher. So those trades, if you guys are in those dollar pairs, hold on to those trades. Gold retraced a bit. All right, so now gold is trading back below this resistance. All right, so be careful with gold trades. I think we do have one future gold trade going. We'll take a look at that, but it's trading below resistance. Pretty good resistance here. Sellers are here, here, and here. All right, so good support down here. So keep that in mind. All right, silver is in a downward trend here. All right, so sellers are here, here, and here. So we'll see if it can hold this buy signal here. All right. All right. The yen pairs, right? You guys see here, this is pound yen. All right, so really good price action, and I'm hope you guys are taking advantage. Two trades that we've got going right now. Two trades: the dollar and the yen. Dollar and the yen. All right, so good price action. Pound yen. So you guys should notice buying in the yen pairs. All right, so let's go right to the picks. So here are the trades that you guys should be in. All right. All right. So USD CZK, right? USD CZK right here in Monster Scalper. Let's move this over here. All right. These are long trades. Buy signal here. All right. Buy signal came in right here, all the way up here, guys. So for a lot of pips here. All right. USD CZK. USD CNH, another one here, buy signal here, all the way up here. I would be careful adding in that reaccumulation phase. Just be careful adding. All right, these are getting extended. All right, so just be careful adding, but good trade here. White candle here, but we got a green candle. I don't know if you guys can see this. All right, so just continue to hold. All right, let me know if you guys are in any of these trades. Just let me know. All right, USD CNH. All right, USD Swiss, right? Still trying to break out here. Buy signal is here. All right, that's holding. All right, USD DKK. All right, a really good trade going here, guys. Really good trade here. Right, USD DKK, another dollar pair. Buy signal is here, all the way up here for a lot of pips. All right. USD SGD, another one, still holding, guys, still holding in Monster Scalper. Buy signal all the way down here after descent markdown phase, all the way up here. All right. All right, so good trade going. USD SGD, USG HUF. All right, well, let's close that. We're out of that one. Give a sell signal. Buy signal here, red candle. Sell signal to exit. So we should be out of that trade. USD HUF. All right. All right. USD MXN, we should be out of this trade. Buy signal was here, failed, red candle, sell signal right here. All right. So we should be out of that trade. USD MXN, if you're in it, clean it up, get rid of it. All right. USD CAD, right? Dollar CAD buy signal is here. It's still holding. All right. Still holding there. Dollar SEK. Look at this, guys. Another good trade. All right. Another good trade here. USD SEK buy signal all the way down here. And we've been tracking this, guys, from the buy signal all the way down here. right? All the way up here, right? This was a good one to add to your positions, all right? All right, just be careful. Let's take a quick, just be careful though, all right? It's getting extended here. You got some resistance right here, all right? Some resistance right here. So if you in it from down here, right, just hold on. If you scaled up, right, in this area here or here, just hold on, but just be careful adding any more. All right, up here. Hey, Mary, welcome, Mary. Okay, so very good trades. All right, very, very, very good trades in the dollar pairs. All right, USDN. Okay, another one here. Buy signal is here and holding nicely in the markup phase. All right, so one was that 2, 4, 6, 8, about 10. Was that $10 pairs? Okay, so very, very good price action. All right. Um, then the yen pairs. All right. So CAD yen buy signal is here, right? Nicely moving up in the markup phase. All right. ZAR yen, we should be out. This one failed here. ZAR yen, we should be out. Buy signal, big red candle, right? Forced us out of that trade. We should be out of that trade. So ZAR yen, clean that up if you're in it. Pound yen, all right? Pound yen. Hey, Chris, welcome, Chris, welcome. All right, pound yen, all right, pound yen, right here, guys. Buy signal is here, moving up nicely. All right, this would be an area to add right in here. Okay, that's pound yen. Okay, um, dollar yen. All right, buy signal is here. All right, buy signal is here. Look at this, guys. Nice trade, right? Nice trade, right? Um, was that Climax? Joshua. All right. You can get with me offline. We'll go through. We do have a new beginners class on Saturday. All right. This evening we'll go through the picks. All right. But on Saturday or beginners class, I can spend more time going through how the signals work. All right. But good question. Good question. In the meantime, just kind of go along with what we're doing here. All right. USD. JPY, guys, buy signal right here. All right, buy signal right here. Nicely up in the markup phase. All right, you're welcome, bud. You're welcome. Nicely up in the markup phase. All right, all green candles, nothing to do. That's dollar yen. Euro yen. All right, buy signal is here. If you're in it, all right, you could scale up right here. All right, all green candles, nothing to do. Yen pairs are moving, guys. Yen pairs are moving. Swiss yen, buy signal is here. All green candles, clearly in the markup phase. Keep an eye here. We have purple support and resistance, but yen pairs are holding nicely. TRY, JPY, we just added this one. All right. I know it doesn't look like a great chart here. If you look here, a lot of consolidation, but decent markdown phase. All right. And hopefully TRY, JPY will follow the other yen pairs. Okay. But good trades going here. Look at again USD CZK, right? USD CNH, that's the dollar pairs here. All right. So hopefully, while I've been gone, you guys have been taking advantage of these trades. All right. USD SGD. We could not have asked for better moves in Forex. All right. That's in Forex in Monster Scalper. Let's take a look at, and we do have a lot of information to go over, but that's good, right? Markets are moving. Markets are moving. Short opportunities. So short trades, right? We've been tracking in Monster Scalper. Hold on. All right. 1 second, guys. All right, let's bring in the short signal. Okay. All right. These are shorts. All right. Shorts in Monster Scalper. Okay. All right. EURCHF, and I haven't looked at these. All right. EURCHF. All right. So sell short signal is here. It's still holding. Keep an eye on it. Very choppy trading. All right. So keep an eye on it. EURSGD. All right. Sell short signal is here. All right. That's holding there. All right, EURHKD, much better trade here with this one here. EURHKD, sell short signal here, guys. All red candles, sellers are in control. Let it continue to move down to the markdown phase. All right. Okay. EURUSD. Let's take a look at this one here. EURUSD. All right. Let's see here. All right. Yeah. Almost similar. Look at this. EURHKD, sell short signal here, all the way down here, good short going, and then EURUSD, very similar trading here, very similar trading, all red candles, right? Nicely in the markdown phase, nothing to do, let it run. You do have support, so if you guys are, any of you guys are trading it, you do have support right here, okay? But guess what? Still moving down nicely, all right? Pound Swiss, all right, short here. Keep an eye on this one, all right? Keep an eye on it. It's struggling a bit to move lower. Just keep an eye on it. If you get a green candle, get out, all right? Pound HKD, right? Sell short signal is here, all right? Just hold in. Pound dollar, sell short signal is here. Much better trade here, all right? Red candles holding its short position. Pound CAD, all right? Give a sell short signal, a buy to cover, so it closed the trade. All right, sell short signal was here, had to cover it, exit, close it. So if you guys are in pound CAD, clean things up, clean it up, get out of it. Aussie Swiss, sell short signal is here, all right? That's holding here. You got support here, here, and here. All right. So if you guys get a white candle, I say if you get a white candle, don't wait on a green candle. White candle, get out of that trade because you got pretty good support here. All right. All right. So that's Monster Scalper. Let's take a look at Forex Dominator, and then we'll get into equities. And I want to take a quick look at US 30 too. US 30 and NAS 100. All right. Okay. Forex Dominator really doing a good job holding trades. All right. It's doing a really good job holding long trades. Okay. So let's go through those. All right. So again, dollar pairs, remember dollar pairs. This is a real, when we have the same group in both Monster Scalper and Forex Dominator, that's really good confirmation. Remember, on Monster Scalper, we trade on the 240. All right, Forex Dominator, we trade on the daily. All right, so dollar pairs. All right, dollar pairs. USD CNH buy signal is right here, moving up nicely on the daily time frame, guys. Daily time frame. Okay. USD DKK buy signal is here. That's an early move here. Nice markdown phase. Right. Look where it fell from, guys. All right, all the way up here, and now moving higher. Nice support. All right. Decent markdown phase here, much better markdown phase here. And we've got a buy signal here. Hopefully this one really moves higher. USD SEK buy signal is here. Look at this, really breaking out. Okay. Too late to get into this one. USD SGD, all right, buy signal is here. That's moving higher. Look at this markdown phase. All right. All right, nice. We need to clear this area right here to really see that pair move. And dollar ZAR buy signal is here, and that's moving higher. All right, nice trade here going. All right, yen pairs, The yen pairs have been taking a longer to move in a monster scalper. They're moving much better in recently in forex in monster scalper, but still looks good. All right, so Aussie yen buy signal is here. That's holding, looking to break out. All right, CAD yen buy signal is here, starting to really break out, guys. All right, Swiss yen, look at Swiss yen, right? Buy signal is here. Really, anyone in Swiss yen? Let me know. Let me know if you guys are. All right. All right. So good trade there going. All right. Buy signal is here, moving up nicely. Euro yen. Buy signal is here. These yen pairs, guys, moving up nicely. Pound yen. Look at this. Pound yen. That's the biggest mover in forex. Buy signal is here. And all green candles, nothing to do. Remember, we were concerned about this consolidation in here, right? Getting past that. And guess what? All right, got past it and moving up nicely. All right. HKD JPY buy signal is right here. Nice markdown phase. Broke resistance here, guys. Buy signal came in right here, right on this break of resistance right here. And all green candles moving higher. Nothing to do. Let them run. All right. Let those pairs run. Don't interfere with those trades. New Zealand yen buy signal is here. It's holding. This is choppy here. Very, very choppy here. All right. We just need buyers to come back in, which looks like it is. They are right here. All right. White candles. Right. We got a green candle currently. So hopefully we can get out of this area here. Right now it's touch and go, but pretty good support here. Right. Resistance is right here. We just got to get past that resistance. NZD, JPY, and then SGD, JPY. All right. So it's clearing that area here. All right. Here is your resistance, your buy signal, green candles. This one is moving nicely. Euro ZAR. These ZAR pairs, guys, we've called these ZAR pairs. So dollar ZAR, Euro ZAR, pound ZAR. Okay. Those are nice movers. All right. So Euro ZAR buy signal is here, moving up nicely, and it's been trading fairly well. Pound SGD, all right, buy signal is here, and that's holding there. All right, so very good trading in both monster scalper and forex dominator. All right, let's take a look at the shorts. So short trades, and we've been focused more on long, but there's short opportunities. So Aussie CAD in Forex Dominator short. All right. So that short, guys, is still holding now. Remember, right, if we catch these trades in Forex Dominator, we can stay in those trades for months at a time. Right. 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. If we get really lucky, we can get 9 months, 10 months. All right. That's good. All right. That's good because you can rack up a lot of pips. All right. So just be patient with them. All right, as long as the buy signals are holding, right? No funny thing action, price action with the candles, we should be fine. So Aussie CAD sell short signal is here. That's holding nicely. USD MXN buy sell short signal is here. That's holding. Euro Swiss sell short signal is here. This keeps moving down lower and lower slowly. All right, nothing to do there. Euro Pound sell short signal is here. All right, this needs to break to the downside. Euro dollar, right? No, this is the inverse. So as the dollar pairs are moving higher, this euro dollar should move lower. Sell short signal is here. Red candles coming in here. And New Zealand dollar, that's a new sell short signal right here. And that's a new move. All right, so our monster scalper traders, Forex traders, those are the trades you should be in. All right. So you might find something with the Aussie, an opportunity in Aussie pairs, but really, we really should be in the dollar pairs, dollar long, dollar and yen pairs long in both systems. All right. And then the euro pairs, all right, short, pound pairs short. All right. But the real trade, dollar long, dollar yen long. All right, that's the trade. US 30. All right, we send out a pick for Monster US 30. All right, let me change this here. All right. This is our long trade in Monster US 30. I know Dean, I think Dean, you got onto that trade, right? Solomon, did you get onto that trade? Let me know if you guys got onto that trade. This should be a good
Right.
trade. Dean, you got on?
Yes, I did.
Okay, very good, very good. Solomon, I think you got on. Um, So I know we've got red candles here, guys, and we're near support. All right. But the markets, the Dow closed up around 300 points, right? We don't pay attention to the news, but this debt ceiling thing they've got going on there. All right. It looks like that might be resolved, so we could get a really nice move, right? When the markets open markets are closed tomorrow. So with sniper traders, look for your alerts on Tuesdays. On Tuesday, this Tuesday. All right. Not markets are closed tomorrow. But our Monster US 30 traders, right? This buy signal here. Good job getting in on this buy signal. Okay, because we could see I don't think we have any data in the let me see if we have any data in the futures. Yeah, futures are moving, so the futures are up, and I don't know if this is correct, but so far it looks from the price action here, right? Looks like we're up. Yeah, this is moving right here. All right, this is moving right here, so we're up. So that will help, right? So Dean Solomon, just hold on to that trade. All right. And then if you guys look here, the Nas 100, look at that move in the Nas 100. All right. And look at the daily price action. I know we don't talk about the Nas 100 often. We're going to talk about it more. All right. Really good trading. And the reason is that we're seeing really good moves, guys, in the NASDAQ. You see that NASDAQ here? All right. That NASDAQ move on the NASDAQ on the big picture, weekly time frame. All right. And that's that move right here. Okay, so we'll talk about that. Now, as far as the SP, still choppy, right? The S&P is still choppy, but boy, that Nas 100, Nas 100 is a bit more volatile than the US 30, right? Imagine that. Okay, so we'll talk more about that system as the Nasdaq improves and starts, moving higher. Again, we could get a buy signal, right? We're waiting for a buy signal. We should have gotten a buy signal by now, all right, on the Nasdaq right here on the weekly time frame. Okay, the last buy signal we got on the weekly time frame on the Nas was back in on the Nasdaq was back in 2006 of 2020. All right, so that's what June of 2020 was the last buy signal. So markets are improving. Markets are improving. Let's take a look at stocks. That's where I mean Forex has been doing great, but I am really surprised. Even being gone, I've been looking at the markets, and last week equities held. Equities held. All right, so we're gonna focus on Stock Boss and Bullmaster, and we've got some time here. All right, so let's go through the current positions, right? Current positions in Stock Boss and Bullmaster. Okay, just the current positions. All right. And we'll see if we can find some new opportunities. Well, equity markets are closed tomorrow, so we'll wait to do that on tomorrow's class. All right. ANNX, this one, guys, gap down. All right. If anyone is in it, get out of it. Buy signal. There's nothing we can do about this. All right. Buy signal came in at 554, gap down. All right. At 285. I know it was up here. It was up here 33%. All right, but that was from the bottom here to here. So this trade is gone. So if anyone is in it, right, just get out of it. It's over. It's over. Gap down. Must have had news. All right. So just get out of that ANNX. All right. So if you're in it, just take your loss. No big deal. TLS, right? Buy signal is right here. Buy signal came in at 265. Big candle here, broke resistance. All right. So big buyers are coming in. So hold on to that trade. IOVA. All right. That's holding here. All right. Just focus on this area right here, guys. All we want to see are green candles. All right. GCT. All right. That's holding. Buy signal here. Right. Retraced. All right. It's still holding. All right, BTBT, buy signal is here. This is moving nicely in the markdown phase. MVIS, buy signal is here, moving nicely in the markup phase. ADEA, buy signal is here. This one is breaking out, nothing to do. Just hold on if you're in it. All right. OPRT, all right, holding here. ALEC, right? Buy signal, white candle, right? But this is what we like. Green candle followed by a green candle, very bullish sign. All right, we need to test resistance here and move higher. ADMA, buy signal is here. That's holding. SPPI, buy signal is here. All green candles. All right. ORGO, look at this one. Buy signal is here. That buy signal came in at 231. It's at 377 there. ALTO, right? Buy signal, that's holding. All green candles. GLYC, that's holding. SLGC, all right? That's holding white candles. We need some green candles to come in, buyers to come back in. Nothing to do, all right? MOMO, right? Same thing here. OPEN, right? Holding. The stocks are holding. SANA, buy signal is here. That's holding. All right. HLLY, that's holding here. ALLO, okay. This one here, guys, red candle here. All right. Broke support. Previous resistance is support. Red candle, two red candles, close this trade. ALLO, we should be out of that trade. Okay. What's that? ASRT, right? White candles that's holding. We need buyers to come back in. OMER, that's holding a green candle here. That's good. ROIV, buy signal is here. That's holding. LIFE, holding. VXRT, that's holding here. TBLA, all right, that's holding. TWKS, all right, that's holding here. SNDL, red candle here, guys. All right, so buy signal was here at 173, right? It closed on Friday. This was Thursday's price action, so you could have gotten out on Thursday, and then it held another red candle here on Friday, so we should be out of this trade. All right, don't take it personal, right? Just get out of the trade, right? Because guess what? If we stay in, right, we can have continued red candles, continued selling. Okay, so just take the small loss, get out of it. SNDL. So if you're in it, close it. All right. EVLV, buy signal is here. Nice price action here. That's holding nicely. SPRO, all right, buy signal is here, holding support. Previous resistance is support. White candles, we need buyers. Green candles to come back in. All right, same thing here. EDIT, all right, AI, that gave us sell signal. All right, so buy signal was here. Red candles hit support, sell signal. We should be out. All right, what we don't want is to stay in and have continued selling. So get out, clean things up. All right, and there are other opportunities. So AI, if you're in it, close that trade. All right. All right, CLSK, buy signal is here. That's holding Riot, RIOT. A lot of consolidation in here, but guess what? No red candles, no sell signals, nothing to do. All right, hopefully we can get buyers to come back in. MREO, all right, close this trade. Buy signal was here, all right, at 112. All right, it gave a sell signal right at 111. All right, if you caught it a little bit lower, probably 107, but sell signal, white arrow here, red candles, we should be out of that trade. All right, out of that trade. So MREO closed the trade. Now, considering the market, what the market has been doing I think we had one or 2 days, 1 or 2 up days, right? Considering the market is holding, right? Considering, right? But again, tech has been moving higher. ANGI, right? Buy signal is here. That's holding. PMVP, all right? Buy signal. Look at this nice markdown phase. White candles. We just need buyers to come back in. Nothing to do yet. All right. CLOV, same thing here. Right? Just holding. And those of you who've been with us for a while, you know these stocks as they're holding. All right. If the indexes can move higher, we can see these stocks really take off. All right. AVDX. All right. Buy signal is here. Holding. All right. We have a lot of stocks here. LILM. Right. Buy signal holding. Look at this nice markdown phase. If you guys are looking for, if you're looking for a stock, especially those of you with us, this is not a bad one here. Right? It fell from what $11 all the way down to $1. Right? Like I always say, we'll let someone else buy it up here. We'll buy it down here. Let someone else buy it up here. All right. Right, so buy signal is here. We do have purple support and resistance, but all green candles here. So, and it hasn't gone far from its buy signal. Buy signal came in at 92 cents, 92, 93 cents. It's trading at 110. Okay. All right. And that is LILM. XFOR, buy signal is here. Moving up nicely. Look at this. All green candles. That's what we love to see there. All right. OPK. All right. I was hoping this one would hold, but guess what? Buy signal came in, sellers came in, red candles, sell signal. All right, broke support, right? Support is about right here, all right, to get out. So should be out of that trade. Let's remove it. OPK. If you're in it, close it. All right, CVAC, buy signal is here. That's holding. What's that? ZIMV, buy signal, that's holding. YMAB, buy signal, holding. That's a good trade going there. All right. MVST, all right. Red candles here. Close this one, guys. Gap down with a red candle. There's nothing you can do about that. All right. So if you're in it, clean it things up, get out of it. MVST, all right. Red candle, get out of it. All right. Don't wait for a sell signal. You get a red candle, that's like a sell signal. Okay. So, all right. AFMD, another sell signal here on this one here. All right. Broke support, red candle, sell signal by the system. All right. To get out of that trade. Okay. All right. AFMD, we should be out. All right. FULC, right? Red candles. Let's close that. All right. Once a day, guys, go through your trades. TDUP, all right, buy signal came in here at 241, completely failed, right? Really never got into the markup phase well. Sell signal came in right at 236, all right? So pretty clean trade, not a major loss there. So just TDUP, all right, close that trade, all right? Don't let sellers come in. Don't let this happen. Don't forget your trades. All right. So pay attention to your trades. All right. These markets move quickly. All right. So if you're in this, get out. All right. All right. AKBA, buy signal is here, and that's holding. So those are the stocks in Stock Boss. We won't spend any time since we can't trade tomorrow. Markets are closed. We will not add any positions this evening. We'll do that tomorrow. Bullmaster. And remember, Bullmaster, Stock Boss, we look for stocks under $10. And Bullmaster over $10. All right. So under $10, over $10. These are over $10. All right. All right. All right. ZNTL. All right. Buy signal here, guys. Look at this one. Buy signal came in at 20. That's at 30. Good price action going there. And XMTR, buy signal is here. That's holding. KDNY, all right, that's holding. Tough trading here, but it's holding, nothing to do. All right, BPMC, buy signal is here. That's holding. All right. TSVT and Bullmaster has been holding, doing a pretty good job holding. These are more expensive stocks, so they've been holding up well, surprisingly. All right. TSVT, buy signal is here. That's holding. UPST, buy signal is here. That's moving up higher. SKYW, buy signal is here. Look at this. Nice trade here going, guys. ZS, buy signal is here. That's moving here. These are just the symbols. We don't care about the company, right? Just a symbol. All right. So we're just trying to capture those moves. PTGX, buy signal is here. All green candles, nothing to do there. XP, that's a good one going. Buy signal is here. Moving up nicely in the markup phase. RILY, that's holding. AKRO, all right. It's holding here. Keep an eye on it, guys. If it gets a red candle, get out. It's holding support here, though. You got support right here. All right. We need green candles buyers to come back in. That's AKRO. HCSG, right? Buy signal is here. Red candle, sell signal, right? Close the trade, get out of it, right? Because we don't want this to happen. We want to cut our losses, all right? Cut our losses. RCKT, buy signal is here, holding. BEAM, red candle here, close that trade. All right. Now, when they're like this and you near the bottom there, near support, you got pretty good support. I wouldn't keep it on a radar. All right. You got pretty good support here. Support here, right? All this here is support. So there's a good chance, guys, that buyers could come back in. All right. But get out of it. All right. But there's a good chance, right? I mean, it's made a very good low down here. All right. A lot of selling would have to happen in the markets to really push that to break support. Well, no, it can happen, but I would keep an eye on this one. All right. Perhaps we might get, what could happen. It's still holding a buy signal here, but we got a red candle. So we just have to get out. Okay. Because we don't want the trade to really get away from us. But we could get green candles, buyers could come back in, test resistance, and now start moving higher. Okay. So we need to remove it though, beam. All right. All right. ACAD. All right. We're almost done, guys. ACAD, buy signal is here. All right. That's moving higher. I looks good. Buy signal is here, slowly moving higher. UPBD. All right. Good here. DDOG. Right. Holding here. VERV, red candles, we need to get out of that, okay? All right, PCVX, holding. BSY, that's holding nicely here, right? HCP, holding here. I know you can't trade all of these, just find the ones you like, right? The setups, all right? SWAV, buy signal is here, right? Moving, holding nicely. HAS, right? Nicely here. All right. TGTX, buy signal is here, retraced. All right. But this looks good to get some green candles to come back in, push high, especially if we can get an update on Tuesday and throughout the week. FSLR, that's holding. CRSP, holding. LZ, holding. MRTX. We need to close this one here. All right. Well, buyers came in, right? Buy signal, break of resistance, broke support, red candle, sell signal, out. We should be out. Okay, out of that. MRTX. ARWR, same thing here. Buy signal was here, completely failed. And look here, you got sellers sitting right here, guys. Sellers are sitting here. Sellers are sitting here. Okay, so they can move that price all the way back down. So red candle, those are sellers. Remember, red candle, sellers, just like here, just like here. So that's the beginning of some selling here. So we need to just get out of the trade. Do not hold on to them. NTLA, same thing here. So we're having to clean up some trades here this evening. All right. Last week was tough. We had, like I said, 1 or 2 up days, but we had some selling last week. IMVT, buy signal is here. That's holding. BTA, right? Sell, another red candle here, sell signal to get out of that trade. So clean things up. All right. IAC, that's still holding there. FNKO, that's holding. Buy signal, that's holding. NEO, NEO, all right, holding white candles there. DKNG, that's holding. SAVA, red candle. You guys see that here? Red candle right here. All right, red candle. All right, that's our cue to get out. All right, so close it. SAVA, right here. SAVA. All right. ZIMV, holding. LNTH, that's holding. SWTX, that's holding. White candle, we need buyers to come back in. Okay. So we did have to clean some things up. All right. But hopefully, with the markets holding, we could see things. As long as the equity markets hold, all right. Because if you guys look here, all right, we don't have a buy signal, right? So we don't. This is on the 240, all right. So we don't have a buy signal on the Dow. We have a shaky buy signal here on the S&P, shaky buy signal here on the Russell, all right. And then on the NASDAQ, all right, we don't have a buy signal here on the NASDAQ. It's on the 240, okay. I'm surprised we don't have a buy signal here. What did the NASDAQ do? Yeah, this is the NASDAQ. Hold on 1 second here. Let's see here. QQQ. Okay, so we should have had it. Hold on 1 second here. Guys, I've been gone. Being gone for a week kind of throws you off. Let's do this here. QQQ. Okay, so we do have a buy signal here. That's the QQQ. That's the QQQ. So we have a buy signal here. I'll clean this up. VIX is still at 1798. Okay, 1798 on the VIX. All right, let's do this here. NASDAQ, QQQ. Yes. So buy NASDAQ, Dow. So that's the Dow. NASDAQ looks good. All right. S&P. So NASDAQ is the only one. Okay. Our stock boss and bull master traders, keep an eye on your technology stocks. Okay. On Tuesday. I want to go through. Let's see if we can find. I doubt we'll find any opportunities in Monster Scalper. We want to focus on just the long opportunities, so new long opportunities. Most of these trades, we are in them already. All right, so USD, JPY, we're already in this one here. Okay. This one here we're in. All right, let's see if we can find some new opportunities. NZD, JPY, I know gave a sell signal. Keep an eye on this one, guys. We could get a buy signal. Okay. All of these, we're in these. These are moving up nicely. Okay. Aussie yen, right? Is, we could get another buy signal in Aussie yen. Okay, so keep an eye on that. If we get a signal on those, on the two there, we'll let you know. ZAR yen, that's already good. All these dollar pairs, so trading nicely. USD PLN. All right, this is a new one here. All right, so we'll add that to Monster Scalper, and we'll send it out later. So USD, and that's a dollar pair, guys. PLN. All right. So nice markdown phase. Right. For Forex, this is a good markdown phase. Okay. A buy signal is right here. And hopefully this will follow the other pairs. All right. So USD PLN in Monster Scalper long. All right. USD NOK, that's moving already. We've in that. Nothing here. All right. We're in this. Most of these we're in already. Dollar Swiss, we're in dollar Swiss, dollar CAD. All right. Nothing here long. All right. It's spotty. So, I mean, if you find some opportunities, but we don't have an overall rotation here with the euro pairs. Okay. Nothing here. You might find some opportunity. You might find something here in the Aussie. Aussie. I know we're in Aussie Swiss short. Aussie Swiss, this one here, but you got support down in this area here. So I would just be careful with any shorts. Okay, the long yen and long dollar. Okay, that's really the trade right now in Forex, in Monster Scalper. Forex Dominator. Let's see if we can find most of these we're in already. Let's see if we can find a new opportunity. TRY, we got a buy signal, guys, on TRY in Monster Scalper. Forex Dominator is setting up to give a buy signal in TRY JPY. Okay. Keep an eye on this. We're in this one we talked about. All right, that's pound yen. Look at pound yen, guys. Did anyone get on that pound yen trade? Mary, did you get Mary? Are you trading any of the yen pairs? Then are you guys on? Really good. This pound yen trade is really going well. All right, euro yen. All right. So no new trade. Look at this. Look at Swiss yen. All right. Look at that. Straight up, guys. All right. Aussie yen. So we're in this one already. All right. I'm just trying to find. All right. USD PLN in Forex Dominator also. So watch it. Our Monster Scalper traders, watch it. All right. And also Forex Dominator. All right. So it gave us a buy signal in Monster Scalper. It's setting up to give us a buy signal there. Okay. All of these we're same for USD HUF. Okay. It's holding here. Getting ready. Hopefully give a buy signal. USD DKK. I think this is a new one here. Yeah, no, we're in this already. Okay. All right, USD CZK. All right. So this is a new one here, guys. Look at this here. This is a new one. All right. Buy signal right here. Really good markdown phase. All right. This is a good one here. Really good markdown phase. So that is Forex Dominator. And that is USD CZK. All right. And that's long. All right. Good markdown phase. All right. Buy signal came in right here. Pretty good support in down in this area here. Okay. This one we're in. Keep an eye on USD CHF. That's setting up to give a buy signal, guys. All right. Nice accumulation phase, nice markdown phase. Green candles coming in. We just need our buy signal there. All right. And this is choppy. I would be careful with dollar CAD. Okay. And same thing as far as shorts. Just wait on the shorts. If you're not in any of the shorts, just wait. The trade is long right now, and we all have limited capital. Okay, so we can't trade everything. So try to stay with, if you're fully in the yen pairs and the dollar pairs long, just ride that trade, guys. Just ride it. That's the best trade right now. Okay, that's the best trade right now. All right. Any questions for me, guys? Any questions? Any questions? That's all I have for this evening. It's great to be back. Remember, we have our new class. I'm excited about that. Our beginners class. We brought back our beginners class. All right. And I think, Dean, it was you that mentioned the beginners class. All right. So we're bringing that back on Saturdays, though. I know it's on a Saturday, but hey, that's the only time we can squeeze it in. But it's Saturday morning. All right. So there we should have quiet time. It's away from trading hours. All right. So from 11 a.m. to 12 noon Eastern time. All right. Our beginners, for beginning traders, and Q&A. And I would like to see our advanced traders come in too. It's always good to hear from our experienced traders. Okay. Bitcoin. You guys know we have a sell signal on Bitcoin, but we're starting to see some movement higher here. This green candle right here, right? Price gapped up today, and we got a green candle here. So it's trading at 28,000. All right. The high it made prior was about 30,000. So just wait, though. Just wait. It had no buy signal yet on it. Okay, but we are getting better price action on Bitcoin there. Sniper traders on Tuesday. All right, markets are closed tomorrow, so Tuesday you'll get your trades. And our US 30 traders, all right, just hold. Right, you had a nice selling. Some of you got this. I know some of you took this short trade here. We didn't call it, but some of you took this short trade. All right, but this long trade right here, if we can get back, and if the markets get a nice boost, right, we could get back up to this resistance here, just like it's done in the past here. So it's trading between, it's trading between, right, support and resistance here. All right, between 34, was that 34,000 and 33,000. Okay, so we could get buyers to come in and push it higher, and that will help the trade here on the 60-minute. Okay, so good job, those of you who got onto this trade right here. But hold on tight. All right, hold on tight, because it could be a good trade. Worst case scenario, right, we get a red candle, sell signal, and get out. All right, but good trade here going. All right, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow, and we'll go through picks. Probably markets are closed tomorrow, so Tuesday. All right, we might go do some, we might go through some trades tomorrow. All right, guys, take care. Good to be back. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.